Latest chika, Donnie Pangilinan denied rumors that he and longtime girlfriend Bel Mariano are engaged and we will get married this year. Every year yan ang tanong sa akin, pero you know what? Di ko naman sinisekreto. Yan ang sabi ng aktor sa isang Showbiz Insider. Kung ano man ang mangyayari sa akin and with Bel, malalaman nyo rin naman in the future. He also assured their fans that they be transparent with any engagement of marriage or news. Malalaman naman nila, wala naman akong sinisikreto. And Donnie and Bel confirmed their relationship in 2022. Yun ang sabi sa Google. Hindi ko alam kung totoo. And Bel Mariano said she and Donnie aren't really rushing to get married as they still have to fulfill their individual goals. True, we're actively talking about it. And Donnie pointed out that Bel is the one. I'm proud to say, and I always say naman sa mga tao na si Bel na talaga ang papakasalan ko. He said during the interview with Showbiz Insider.